Welcome to another video walk around here at Toyota Northwest Edmonton. Today we'll be taking a look at this 2017 Toyota Sienna with some great exterior features that include front and rear bumper sensors, roof rails, along with 18-inch wheels. Entering the vehicle, we have our key with our lock and unlock. Taking a first look inside, you've got leather interior. This Sienna also has dual moonroofs, all-weather floor mats, and power seat adjustments. Taking a seat in the vehicle and looking at the steering wheel, on the left side here we have our audio and phone controls. On the right you have your cruise at the bottom. Down below on the left side we have our parking sensors along with your blind spot monitoring and your heated steering wheel button. This Sienna has 106,000 kilometers. Over in the middle on your touchscreen you have your AM/FM radio, Bluetooth phone connection, navigation, as well as a backup camera. Right below that, we have our tri-zone climate controls. And underneath, we have our outlets along with our heated seat dials. The rear doors on the Sienna are power sliding, so we can just hold a button on our key fob and the door will automatically open. Once that's open, you can see we have more leather interior throughout the back, along with a fold-down DVD player and another set of climate controls in the headliner. You also have storage pouches in either of the seat backs, and for access to the third row, all you have to do is lift up on this tab here, and the seat will fold and slide forward. This Sienna also comes equipped with a power lift gate. Once that's open, you can see we have a ton of storage space with the third row seats folded up, but if you're hauling larger items or just need the extra room, the third row easily folds down. To close the lift gate, you could use the button on the key fob again, but there's also an additional button on the left side of the lift gate itself. Thank you for watching our video walk around on this 2017 Toyota Sienna with some great interior features that include tri-zone climate controls, a DVD player, heated seats, a heated steering wheel, and all-weather floor mats. We are located at Toyota Northwest Edmonton on 137th Ave and St. Albert Trail.